Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to my channel Computer Tuition Academy. This channel is typically made for computer science students in Pakistan from class 7 to second year SSC level because here we will discuss all the topics and concepts given in the textbooks of computer science in Pakistan. So all of you are requested to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. So this is my very first lesson for class 8 students. So here we will start from unit 1, that is networks and communication. In this unit we will talk about the networks, why we use networks, what is the purpose of networking, and what is meant by communication, what are the basic components of a network, or what are the basic components of a communication system. All these things will be discussed in this unit. Some of the communication devices and mediums, all the things or concepts or the basic concepts related to networks will be discussed in this unit. So we are going to start unit 1, that is networks and communication. First of all, the introduction. Computers are linked with each other to share resources and information. That is the basic purpose of a network, that the resources or the information we want to share with each other through network. So this is the very first objective to achieve through networks. To connect computers, various devices are required for communication. Media are used to transport the data from one point to another because the intermediary channels are very important. They are the media, or there are different mediums which are used for communication. Those will also be discussed in this unit. Along all these, a few new technologies for communication will be discussed in this unit. Now, what is computer network? So, computer network can be defined as a collection of two or more computers that are linked together through communication medium. That medium can be a wired medium as well as a wireless medium. In order to share computer resources and information is called a computer network, or simply a network. So, as far as sharing of computer resources or information is concerned, so both of these things can be shared over the network. Resources means it can be a printer, it can be a storage space, or any other device or any resource where, can be shared over the network. So all the users which are connected to the network can utilize, or they can use the same resource for their purpose or to accomplish their tasks, and the information can also be shared. It can be used for simple tasks like sharing a printer, scanner, software, games, etc. Here in this image you can see that some devices are connected with the network. It means that they are shared over the network, and all the other computing devices can utilize, or they can use, or they can access the resources and use them. Like here, the printer is connected to the switch. It's a local area network in which different devices are connected. The server is also connected. The switch is connected to the modem, which provides the internet service to the connected computers or clients. Here, a laptop is also connected to desktop computers, are also connected. Wireless modem is also connected, and other devices are also connected to the wireless modem through Wi-Fi or wirelessly. So all these devices are connected in a local area network and with the wide area network through modem, and this is just because of the network. So different devices are connected in a single network. Some of them are networking devices, while some of them are computing devices, and some of them are the resources which are used for different purposes. Like printer is used to make the hard copies of the documents. So here a single printer is connected in the network, and all the other computing devices can access the same printer to take the printout of their documents. So that's why we can say that it can be used for simple tasks like sharing a printer, scanner, software, games, etc. It allows the users to communicate with each other easily through electronic mail, chatting, video conferencing. So these are the uses of networks. Now, components of a network. This is very important to know the basic components of a network. A computer network is composed of the following components. The first, from where the communication actually starts, that is the sending device. A device which sends any information in the form of data or instructions is called a sending device. It can be a computer, it can be a laptop, or it can be any mobile phone which is capable of sending any kind of information or data over the network. It is also called source or transmitter. Source means the point from where the data originates, or which sends the data or information over the network. Normally, computer is used as a sending device in data communication system. The second, receiving device. Of course, if there is a sending device, there must be a receiving device somewhere in the network. A device that accepts the transmitted data is called receiving device. It is also known as sink. It may be a computer, printer, or plotter. So these are some of the devices, examples, which can act like a receiving device. So it can be any computing device like computer, laptop, mobile phone, or it can be a printer or scanner, or any resource which is shared over the network and we want to access that resource. The third important essential component of network, that is communication device. A device that is used for communication among the computers and other devices is called communication device. There are different devices used in the networks or in the communication systems, which provides or which enables connectivity between the computers, like routers are there, switches are also used for connecting to the network, and network interface cards are also there. All of these are different types of communication devices. We also call them network devices. One of the most popular and most widely used communication devices is modem. Modem is a very important essential component of communication network because it performs two functions, that is modulation and demodulation. It enables us to communicate over the wired medium or wireless medium, and it converts the digital signals to analog, and on the other hand it converts the same analog signals into digital signals. These functions are called modulation and demodulation. Both of these functions are performed by the modem device, which is a network device. We will study the function of modem later on in the coming lessons in more detail. Modem is normally used for internet communication. Other examples of communication devices are network interface card, in short we call it NIC, network interface card. Here in this picture you can see the network interface card. Bluetooth is also a communication device. Wi-Fi, hub and switch, all of these are different types of communication devices which are used throughout the world. The fourth essential component of communication network, that is transmission medium, the intermediary channel between the devices which carries the data from one point to another. A transmission medium is used for carrying information signals, that is, data from one place to another. The most common type of transmission media used with wired computer networks are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cables. Here in this picture you can see these three different types of wired media. Fiber optic cable, the most expensive and the fastest communication medium, and then twisted pair, the most commonly used communication medium, especially for local area networks. And coaxial cable is also a transmission medium used for communication, especially used in cable television for cable transmission. Whereas satellite, microwave, and infrared are commonly used for wireless computer networks. So some wireless communication mediums are also there, like satellite, microwave, and infrared. These are the examples of wireless transmission medium. Okay, the fifth essential component of a communication network, that is the protocol. Protocol is not the physical component of a network or of a communication system, but it's a set of rules and methods which must be followed by the sending and the receiving devices to successfully communicate with each other. We call it protocol. A protocol is a set of rules that governs the communications between computers on a network. So it is a set of rules which must be followed by both the parties or by the sending and receiving devices to communicate with each other over the network. So every communication system or every communication technology has got some specific protocol which must be followed by the devices connected in that network. So we will also be discussing these things in more detail in the coming lessons. So for now we are just discussing the main components of communication network that we have discussed in this lesson. That is, the first component was the sending device, receiving device, and then transmission medium, and communication devices, and then protocol. So these are basic components of communication network. Okay, students, that's it for today. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask me in the comments. And at the end, I would request all of you to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. So it's a good opportunity for all the computer science students that they will find their course-wise topics on this channel discussed in detail. And best of luck. Thank you.